Hi, I'm Leslie from The Buff Mom. What is green, packed with nutrition, and is super delicious? It's our holiday guacamole. One of the most common questions I get this time of year is all about food. There's lots happening, lots of social events, lots of eating, lots of drinking. More specifically, that question is, what is a healthy, quick, nutritious, and delicious appetizer that I can bring to someone's house or that I can serve if I'm hosting? The answer is this, my favorite, guacamole. Now, yes, you can buy this from the grocery store, but it's so quick to make and absolutely delicious. Plus, making it yourself ensures it's fresh and not processed. So much better for digestion. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. You'll need 2 avocados, the juice of 1 lime. Optional if you want to add some red onions, about 1/4 cup. You'll need 1 garlic clove. If you like it a little bit more garlicky, maybe add another garlic clove, and a pinch of sea salt. First, take the avocado and cut it in half. Remove the pit and scoop out all the good stuff. Avocados, by the way, are loaded with so many amazing health benefits. First of all, they're great for the skin. They're rich in vitamins C and E. What I love is they also help to stabilize blood sugar if you're eating a high carbohydrate meal, which is often the case this time of year. Because of their high fat content, avocados keep you feeling full. They're also packed with fiber, so they help your gut. I can go on and on. I absolutely love avocados. Next, I add the juice of 1 lime. Limes are also fantastic for your health. They're rich in vitamin C, which means they're also good for your complexion. They help boost your immunity, help with digestion. They add great flavor. Next, I add a garlic clove, otherwise known as nature's antibiotic. I use a garlic press. You can mince the garlic as well, but when I'm short on time, I find this easier. Studies show that raw garlic has antibacterial and antiviral properties. 1 or 2 cloves added to this recipe, depending of course on how you like it. I finish off with a pinch of sea salt. Everything is in the food processor. I just press that button for a couple of seconds and then it's all done and nice and smooth. I serve this with cucumber coins, which taste delicious, or organic blue corn chips. Blue corn chips come from blue corn, a lesser known variety, native to Mexico. They tend to be slightly higher in protein and have less starch than the white variety. There you go, delicious and nutritious. If you like this video, be sure to share it with your friends and like it. We'll post the recipe below. Have a wonderful, healthy holiday from The Buff Mom.